Hey guys, well then today I'm back on another tutorial. So in this tutorial we're going to be continuing on with our enemy. So first we want to go in your enemy bird function and let's disable gravity on the bird so that it does a nice loop back tween. Now gravity equals false. That will just locally set the gravity off for the enemy bird entity. And let's move the bird down more. Alright, then we want to check if the player is colliding with the enemy bird. And the way we do that, first of all, we need to store our bird in a function. Oh no, in a function, a variable. So we do that for our enemy one. Call it enemy1 for now. And we'll copy paste that and go down here where we set our new enemy bird, and we'll just set enemy1 to that. And then in our update function we can check if those two are overlapping, and we'll create a custom function for checking if they are overlapping. So first of all we want to do check overlap, and we'll do player and then enemy1, and we'll get a bird object from up here. So all that's going to do is access the bird function and get the bird variable. So then we need to actually create the check overlap function. So let's go all the way at the bottom of our class, and down here we can do function check overlap, and we'll get in two parameters. One of them is going to be sprite A and one that's going to be sprite B. And in here we're going to get the bounds of each sprite. So the way we do it is var bounds A equals sprite A dot get bounds. So we'll get the bounds of the first sprite, and then we can just copy paste that and do the same thing. And then we need to return a rectangle. So that is phase of the rectangle that intersects. Rectangle that intersects and then bounds A and bounds B. So this will check if the two sprites are actually overlapping. So okay, now we say if they are overlapping, we have created a reset player function earlier, which just resets the player to position. We can just copy paste that and say this dot reset player. And then if we actually go into the game and reset and actually go up to the enemy, you can see that the tweening is now smooth. When we actually hit the bird, we get a reset back to spawn. So thanks for watching, and leave a like if you enjoyed, and goodbye.